Okay, so this is about term 1 CBSE board exam timings, and it's prepared by Kochi Metro Sahodaya, an association of CBSE schools in Kochi, Kerala. Entry to exam center is at 9:45 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Entry to the examination hall or room is from 10:30 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. The last entry in the examination center is by 10:45 a.m. 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. Admit cards will be checked by assistant superintendents and then ensure that the candidates have occupied the correct seat and not in possession of any barred items. And at 11 a.m., packets of question papers will be opened in the exam room and question papers will be distributed. Reading time is from 11:10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and then the exam commences at 11:30 a.m. Exam room door closes by 12:50 p.m. and collection of OMR sheets from the candidates will take place by 1 p.m. The examination ends at 1 p.m. What the candidates should carry? They should carry admit card that is duly signed by the candidate, parent, and the school principal. And they can carry blue or black ballpoint pen. They should have face mask, hand sanitizers, hand gloves, drinking water in transparent bottle, in which these hand sanitizers and hand gloves are recommended options. Elucidating OMR answer sheet. The OMR answer sheet has three parts: top, middle, bottom. In the top part, fill only the question paper code that is over here. Enter the question paper code from the question paper given. All other fields are already filled, they are pre-filled. So all these blank spaces will be already filled. The middle part of OMR is for giving answer responses of the questions asked. Question number 1, suppose this is the question number 1, that students have to enter the correct response by darkening the circle of answer option completely. Then they have to enter the alphabet of your answer choice in the box, this box. Darken the circle if that question is not attempted. If that question is not attempted, they have to darken that option over here. Now make two entries in the bottom part of OMR. First, copy the printed part in own handwriting of the candidate. Like this, I confirm that all the particulars given above are correct. Put the signature of the candidate. This place, the candidate has to put the signature. How can you enter the correct responses for the question number 16 where A is the correct answer? Now, if it's question number 16 means if this is the response, then they have to mark that alphabet in this rectangular box. So A is the first response and the child is confident of A option, hence alphabet A in the box. And since question number 16 is attended, circle 16 is left blank. That is this circle 16 is left blank because this child has already attempted that question. Last circle, no, suppose question number 17 is unattended. Now question number 17 is unattended. Hence the last circle with 17 will be darkened. In another case, suppose if B is the first response, later child changed to option A. Hence the alphabet A in the box And since question number 16 is attended, circle 16 is left blank. So if the child darkens the option B, but later the child wants to change the option to A, then the child can write that alphabet in this rectangular box. Question number 17 is unattended, and so last circle with 17 here will be darkened. Now in this case, the candidate has not darkened the circle but entered A in the box. This will also be treated as a correct response. So in case the child doesn't darken any responses, still write the alphabet in the rectangular box, it will be treated as the correct response. Candidates can enter both capital or small letter for the alphabet A. Number 17 is unattended, hence last circle with question number 17 is darkened. Now in this case, B is a first response. Later child changed to option A. Hence alphabet A in the box, and since question number 16 is attended, circle 16 is left blank. Question number 17 is unattended, hence last circle with question number 17 is darkened. Now B is a first response here. Later child is confident of B option, hence alphabet B in the box. Last circle with question number 16 is also darkened. Hence, that question will not be evaluated. Because darkening of bubble with question number is to be done for unattended questions.